Okay, let's move on to this week's health hack. Get your water bottles ready for this one because we're talking all about hydration. Proper hydration is key to keeping our bodies healthy. The National Institutes of Health say we should all be drinking about 3 quarts of water every day. So today we've got some great tips on how we can all stay hydrated. First, carry a water bottle with you throughout the day. If you have it on hand, you're more likely to drink water. Next, try scheduling water breaks into your day. Planning time to have a glass of water will help us remember to drink enough and can go a long way in preventing dehydration. And finally, think beyond water when it comes to staying hydrated. We get a lot of water from the foods that we eat, so think about fruits or think about celery when it comes to staying hydrated all day long. These tips will help you stay on track when it comes to hydration for health. For more health hacks, head to our website, livinghealthytv.com.